Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today we're opening up Splendies for July. If you don't know what Splendies is, it is a monthly panty subscription. You get 3 pairs of panties every single month, and you do get to customize your subscription. They have 3 different options. You can have it be a surprise variety, which is what I selected, or you can have it be all thongs or all regular underwears, like brief underwear. I believe one of you guys told me. I'm like, what is considered normal underwear? I guess it's just briefs. I should have known that. But it costs $14.95 a month. There is a promo code that's been active for like a year now. Last I checked, it still works to get 50% off your first box. So I will link Splendies down below, and I will list that promo code as well. They offer a wide size range from extra small to 4X. Many people tell me they prefer to size up one size, so take that into account if you are subscribing and you like a more comfortable or loose fit. But yeah, I think that's everything we need to know. Before we get unboxing, or unbagging I should say, to the bag, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Let's get this open. I can't wait to see the panties this month. They are always so cute and I love them. I've been getting this probably for at least a year now, and yeah, my underwear drawer looks really good and super cute, and they are all very durable, like after many washes, still totally fine. So they are all wrapped up in cute tissue. Here is a sneak peek. Look how pretty they fold it. Oh my god, I know I'm gonna like this. I seriously am happy every month, but I know I'm gonna like this one too. Let's start with, looks like a thong. How cute is this? And I love thongs like this because these generally do not show underneath clothing, and that is one of the main reasons I like to wear thongs, because I feel like they are more discreet. You don't see many lines. But these are so pretty. There's triangular shapes, orange and like cream color. These are so cute. So this is by Splendies brand, and they are $12. And let's see quick what they are made out of. 90% polyamide and 10% spandex. Super cute. And the next pair, both, especially this one, super sexy, lacy, beige color. And the lace design, is that how you would say it? Is like floral. Like, so a floral lace design, is that how you? Oh, these seem great. I feel like these would work with most outfits. It's so comfy. So this is actually by Wilshire, Montana. So every once in a while we do get a brand besides Splendies. These also have a retail value of $12. And it says, for the lady who has it all. Oh my god, I love these. I can see myself wearing these all the time. Where does it say what these are made from? 95% polyamide and 5% spandex. And the last pair is by Splendies, and it actually says Splendies on them. I think that's the first time I've seen that. So in the front it's solid black, in the back it is sheer. I almost said like business in the front, party in the back, but I'm like, I guess that applies. And there's like a polka dot lace print. These are cute. So very comfy as well. Again, the retail value is $12, so you get $36 in value, and you pay $14.95 or less than that, like $7 something if you use that code for your first box. And this is made from 95% cotton and 5% spandex. I think these are great. These are another pair you can wear all the time. I mean, you can wear any underwear whenever you want, but I love all of these, you guys. I'm trying to think what my favorite is. Like, I think the orange color is very pretty, but I think my favorite is this like beige color, because you can wear this, like, I don't really wear like white bottoms often. It must be that like teenager in me, like worried I'd get my period or something, you know, like disaster. But like, you could wear this, like, you shouldn't wear white undergarments, like white underwear under white, because that can show more. You're actually supposed to wear whatever your skin color is, so this would be perfect for me. It's It's like dead on, so, and they're just really pretty and they seem so comfy. I am so excited. So yeah, those are my panties for July. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing them with me. I would love to know if you get Splendies, if you enjoyed your panties this month, and if we are panty twins. Are we rocking the same panties? Or what panties did you get? Because I know sometimes there can be a variety or something just like color variety. I would love to hear from you. And before we go, I just want to say thank you so much to all of my channel members. You guys are the best. Your support means so much to me. I really appreciate it. I am pre-filming a little bit, so I will leave something on the screen with all of your lovely names. I love you guys, and I love everyone. Even if you aren't a member, I totally understand. And yeah, thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.